Hey everyone, welcome back to our food channel. Today, we are going to talk about the top 5 delicious choices of fried rice in Hong Kong. Fried rice is a staple food in Chinese cuisine, and Hong Kong is no exception. From street food stalls to fancy Chinese restaurants, fried rice is a must-try dish when you visit Hong Kong. So, let's dive in and explore the best fried rice dishes in Hong Kong. First on our list is the golden egg fried rice. This dish is a paradise for egg lovers as it's loaded with scrambled eggs, fried rice, and some vegetables. You can find this cheap fried rice dish in almost every street food stall in Hong Kong. It's easy to make and is a quick fried rice recipe. So, if you are looking for a fast fried rice option, then this is the one for you. Next up is the Hong Kong style Yongzhou fried rice. This choice of fried rice is made with Chinese sausage, shrimp, and peas. It's one of the most popular fried rice dishes in Hong Kong and is available in almost every Chinese restaurant in Hong Kong. You can also make this dish at home with a chicken fried rice recipe or pork fried rice recipe, depending on your preference. Moving on to our third choice of fried rice, we have the Hong Kong style fried rice. This fried rice Chinese restaurant style is made with ham, egg, and green onions. The secret to this fried rice Chinese style is wok frying the rice to give it a smoky flavor. This dish is also easy to make and is perfect for a quick fried rice meal. Our fourth choice of fried rice is the Hokkien fried rice. This dish is made with shrimp, squid, and pork, giving it a seafood flavor. It's a popular fried rice street food in Hong Kong and is served with a variety of toppings such as scallions, soy sauce, and chili oil. Last but not least, we have the fried rice with salted fish and chicken. This dish is a unique combination of salted fish and chicken, giving it a savory flavor. It's a popular dish in Chinese restaurants in Hong Kong and is perfect for those who want to try something different. So, these are our top 5 choices of fried rice in Hong Kong. Whether you want to try a cheap fried rice dish or a fancy Chinese restaurant style fried rice, these dishes will not disappoint. Now, if you want to try some authentic Hong Kong fried rice, then make sure to visit Hong Kong and try these dishes in person. There's nothing like the real thing. So, that's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed our top 5 choices of fried rice in Hong Kong. If you have any other favorite fried rice dishes or restaurants in Hong Kong, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more delicious food content. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel.